Hi photo editing lovers, welcome back to the YouCam Perfect channel. One of the most exciting seasons is approaching. Halloween is just around the corner. Today, we're going to show you 2 easy hacks to recreate spooky looks from the movies It and The Shining. These photo edits are perfect for Halloween party invites or movie nights with friends. Let's get started. You've probably seen this clown makeup from It going around a lot recently. So today, we're going to transform you into the one and only Pennywise. Let's see how we can turn your Selfie into this evilish, creepy, but still cute clown, shall we? First, choose Effects and then go to Portrait. Here, we'll change the face into black and white, because if the photo's too colorful, it'll end up looking more on the cute side, and we're going for scary. So go ahead and click on black and white so we can bring out that spooky vibe. Then go to Add Photo and add the original photo again. Using opacity, you'll be able to clearly see and align the 2 photos. Then you can use Eraser to keep the portrait black and white and reveal some more color in the background. Now that we've got the background ready, let's move on to the face. Now, gray eyes are pretty, but if we change the eye color to yellow, it'll add an extra beautiful yet scary touch. So let's go with that. Go to Add Photo again and choose the same photo. Use Cutout and select the eyes. If you use the Smart Brush, it'll help you select the eyes easier too. Then paste it onto your photo and choose Adjust, and click on Temperature to change your eye color to yellow. After that, you can also use the HSL tool to give it some extra edge. To finish up the eyes, just use the eraser to erase any extra parts that got colored outside of the pupils. Next comes the best part, the 2 iconic red lines on the face, just like our good friend Pennywise. Now, you'll need a photo of Pennywise or another clown with the red lines that matches the angle of your face. Let me show you how to do it. Go to Add Photo again, and here I have a clown makeup image that matches with this photo. Paste it and then click on the corner icon to flip it. Go to Blender and choose Multiply, then Crop and Rotate to crop out each red line of the clown face, and then align it with the eyes and mouth, like that. And by cropping each element separately, it allows you to blend the lines onto your face seamlessly. See, now the spooky vibe is really coming out. Okay, maybe too spooky. Let's use the HSL tool under the Adjust tab to balance the color a bit so we can make it match the black and white face. Then use the HSL tool and you can bring up the lightness and bring down the saturation of the blue color. I know it looks a little bit blurry now, but no worries. We can use the eraser to erase the outline, and then just repeat the steps for the other 2 parts. Finished. Now that is one scary looking clown. If this face was on a Halloween party invitation, would you go? Let us know if you'd like us to recreate looks from any other movies in the comments below. The second Halloween trick we have for you today is recreating a scene from the classic horror film, The Shining. Were you creeped out by those twins when you saw the movie? I definitely was. Today, we're showing you how to make your own cuter version. With our app, there are 2 ways that you can recreate this iconic scene from The Shining. Let's start with using Clone. So go to Tools and click Clone. Here's a quick tip. You can use Auto Detect to detect the portrait and clone right away. It'll prompt you to tap where you want to paste a clone, and then you can add as many as you want. So let's tap and clone. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a bit too much. Let's go back to our original edit. All right, so what if you want the clones to be at different angles? Then you can click Add Photo and then Cut Out to leave only one person, and then click on the left corner again. Flip the image and align the clones. Then you've got your classic scene all done with just a few taps. That's all for today's tutorial, but we've got some good news for you. This month we released a bunch of new Halloween animation effects and stickers. You can use it for Halloween photos, party invitations, anything you want. Let's see what we've got. From here, you can just pick an effect and paste as many stickers as you want on top. And of course, you can choose to save a still photo if you like the stickers but don't want the animations. Once you've decided, just select the format, and don't forget you can preview the video by clicking the play button. Then just tap export and you've got your own unique Halloween edit. Thank you for watching today's video. In our next episode, we'll be showing you more fun Halloween photo editing ideas. Or if you're looking for some Halloween makeup inspiration, take a look in the description box. We've got you covered. If you liked today's photo editing tips, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell notification for our channel. If you haven't already, be sure to click the link in the description box to download YouCam Perfect so you can try these Halloween editing hacks out for yourself. Thanks for watching and see you next time.